Start by taking a pineapple and chopping it into semicircular thin slices. You would want to remove the middle section as it is chewy and not so juicy, but do not discard it, you can use it for other things. The thickness of the slices depends upon you. The thicker it is, more time it's going to take to cook. In both the bowls, I have taken coconut oil. Add desiccated coconut shavings. To one, I'm adding vanilla essence. Mix it up. To the other one, I'm adding cinnamon powder. If you want, you can take any other oil also, which is non-flavor one. Lay the pineapple slices on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Apply the mixture on both the sides. Toss them in an oven at a temperature ranging from 180 degrees to 210 degrees depending on the thickness of the slices. The thicker it is, more time it's going to take to cook. Alternatively, if you don't have oven, you can use a sandwich maker also, like this one. After 15 minutes or so, take out the tray and flip the pineapple pieces and pop in again. Now when you're putting it in the second time, be very careful with the timing. My first batch I had burnt it up, so you wouldn't want that to happen. And it is ready for you, enjoying it as an evening snack or whenever you want to have something sweet. Thank you. Don't forget to share.